Hey everybody, Sophie and I are here to show you all about this Merry Christmas Advent calendar. This is so much fun. It's a bracelet Advent calendar, which is way more fun than just the traditional chocolate.
It's a reindeer! Still often called names. I love excitement. The little house. Merry Christmas. It's a little card that says Merry Christmas. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Snowflake. Oh, it's a little stocking! Oh, it's so cute! It's one more day until Christmas. That's so exciting. Now I can make two! Yeah!
This was so much fun. It's easy to put together. It has such a good variety. And the charms in the bracelet are great quality. They're gonna last her all year long. We are so glad the seller gifted this to us to give a review of it because it is so much fun. It is a great way to count down to Christmas.
We highly recommend it. Merry Christmas!